Hello, this is Sabrina the Piano Girl, and I will be playing a medley of Row, Row, Row Your Boat, and you're about to see what that is. And I will also be showing you the process. So the first thing you have to do, or what I'm going to do, is press the record button. Hold on. Sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, now it's working. So just record it now. Okay, so we just recorded that, and now we're going to record again, but you'll see what I'll do now. Okay, so you just saw what I did, and now I'm going to add it on one more time, so we'll have 3 in total. Okay, so you just saw how much it had to it when you played it with different timings, and I mean, you can add it on more, maybe 4 or 5 times, but it's kind of hard to play, or you get kind of confused and it doesn't sound that good after a while. I mean, I think 3 is the maximum. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, just subscribe to my channel.